Hello beauties, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Winnie. In today's video I want to teach us how I created this applique, how I attached this disc applique on my birthday dress. You all saw the post when I posted it on my birthday. Thanks to everyone that wished me a happy birthday on my community tab. So today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to attach this disc applique in a very nice way to make it dangle like this. So if this is what you would like to learn, definitely keep on watching, like my videos, share with your family and friends, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out anytime I upload a new tutorial. Without too much talking, let's get to honey of the video. Let's go. I love you. Hey beauty, welcome to my channel. So I'm just going to be using this piece of fabric to illustrate what I want to do, and I have my bead here. It's a dazzle crystal bead in silver, and it's more expensive than the normal crystal bead. This one is dazzling, all right. And then I also bought my disc applique in black. This is a smaller size, and this is my disc applique in silver. This is the bigger side, and that was how I just attached both together. I created this from my head, all right. So, and it came out really beautiful because I wanted my dress to have a unique kind of look. So now I've threaded my needle. Kindly use a matching thread if you are doing yours. I'm using this white thread for the sake of this tutorial so that you can see what I am doing clearly. So I just picked the disc now, and I'm tacking it onto the fabric just the normal way we would tack it onto our fabric. And I want you to just see the difference between tacking it on just like that and using the method I am about to teach you. All right, so stay tuned. Stick with me. So I'm just tacking it right now from the back. I'm tacking it right now from the back, and then I am going to cut off the thread. So when I was done, this is how it looked. This is how it's looking. All right, it's just going to stay like this. All right, now let's check the second method, which is the method I used on my birthday dress. So I'm going to tie my thread again, and then I am going to pass it through the where I want it to sit. All right, for this particular method you would have to be tying your thread and be passing it separately so that it doesn't mess up your fabric, except if your fabric has a lining, then you can be passing it through inside without making it show outside. So after passing my thread, I went ahead to pick 3 beads. So I picked 3 beads, and then I picked one big disc, silver disc, and I picked one black disc. This is exactly how I did it on the dress I showed earlier, which is my birthday dress. And then after that, I'm going to pass it all through the 3 beads that I put earlier. After passing it through the 3 beads, I'm going to pass it through my fabric just like that. So after putting your disc, you're going to pass it back through the 3 beads, and then you are now going to pass it through the fabric. See the way it's dangling. This is really beautiful. Like, I didn't do a video, you really needed to see my dress anytime I walk. Like, it's just going to be going like that. From here comes the bride, here comes like, it gave a really nice feeling. Like, it was just dangling, and I really felt I felt beautiful that day. So that was just it. So let's do one more. As you can see, I've already knot my thread at the back, so just to make it neat, and then I'm going to pass it through the next space that I need, and then I am going to pass 3 beads again. If you are seeing another hand different from my hand, that is my student's hand. She's also learning she's learning physically, all right, so that is why you can see that hand there. So now that I've passed my 3 beads, I'm going to take my silver disc applique and then I'm going to pass it. So once that is done, the next thing we are going to do, you already know, is to pass it back through the 3 beads that we created earlier, just like that. You don't have to rush, take your time, make sure that your fabric is not rumpling together. Take your time, make everything neat and straighten up. So once I am done, then I pass it through the fabric to the back, and this is what it gave me. So you can either use one disc or you can use 2, just like I did mine. And now I am going to tie the knot at the back. If you have gotten to this point on this tutorial, kindly give this video a like, drop your thoughts, your questions, your comments in the comment section down below. Honestly, those comments keep me going. Honestly, it makes me know that you people love what I'm doing and you want me to do more, and it also helps my videos to go to a wider audience, because when the algorithm sees that you are like commenting on my video, they will know that you like it and they will put it out to a larger audience. So please like my videos, drop your comments, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out anytime I upload a new tutorial. So that is that about this tutorial. Is as simple and easy as that. So if you want your disc to dangle properly, this is how you are going to go about it. And you can also combine 2 or 3 discs together, because this disc comes in different sizes. You see that there's a bigger size, there's a smaller size, there's another size that is smaller than this black size, all right? So you can use 3, you can use 4, depending on your creativity, and then you can just do what you like and make sure that it dangles just like this. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Till I see you in the next one, I want you to know that I love you and I care. Bye.